Hello everyone, welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to solve practice set 1.4 of similarity chapter maths part 2 standard 10. So let's begin. So before starting this solving this practice set, we should know the theorem. Theorem is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. We have already made a video for this theorem, the theorem on the ratios of similar triangles, ratios of areas of similar triangles. Now first question is first question of 1.4. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then we have to find out the ratio of their areas. So by using this theorem, the ratio of their areas, triangles are similar, so the ratio of their areas is equal to square of their corresponding sides, ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So 3:5. So square of 3 upon square of 5, 9 upon 25, 9:25. So the ratio of their areas is equal to 9:25, 9 upon 25. Question number 2, we have given activity in question number 2 and question number 3. See, in question number 2, if triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR and AB, ratio of AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blanks. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, AB square upon PQ square. So PQ is the corresponding side of AB. These two are corresponding sides of each other. Then AB square is 2 square, PQ square is 3 square. So 2:3 the ratio is given. Square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. Similarly, in question number 3, ABC and PQR are similar. Area of triangle ABC 80, area of triangle PQR 125 units. Then we have to fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 80 upon 125. Now by taking factors of 80 is equal to 16 into 5 and 125 is 25 into 5. So 5 lapses, 16 upon 25 is the answer. And by taking the square roots of 16 and 25, we get AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. So 4 is the square root of 16 and 5 is the square root of 25. Next question. In question number 4, triangle element similar triangle PQR, triangle elements similar triangle PQR and 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 60 into area of triangle element. If QR is given 20, then we have to find out Mn. So let's see the solution. In triangle element similar triangle PQR, therefore the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Ratio is equal to the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides by ratio of areas of similar triangle theorem. So area of triangle element upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of Mn upon square of QR, square of Mn upon square of QR. This is point number 1. Then what is given to us? 9 into area of triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Then by interchanging this area and digits, we get 9 upon 16 is equal to area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. Then 9 is square of 3, 16 is square of 4. Point number 2. So look at point number 1 and point number 2. So this left hand side is equal to this right hand side. So right hand side of point number 1 is equal to left hand side of point number 2. So what we get, square of Mn upon square of QR is equal to square of 2 upon square of 4. So by taking square roots, we get Mn upon QR is equal to 3 upon 4. Mn we have to find out, QR is given 20, cross multiply, we get Mn into 4 is equal to 20 into 3. 23 is 60. So mn is equal to 60 divided by 4, we get mn is equal to 15. We get mn is equal to 15. Then question number 5. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find corresponding side of the bigger triangle. So we have given two triangles, one is smaller, other is bigger, and these two triangles are similar. Their areas are also given, and we have to find out the value of bigger triangle, the side of the bigger triangle. Now the side of the smaller, now what is the solution? Here it should be solution, not equal, it is in Marathi. Okay, the side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter. Let the side of the bigger triangle be x centimeter. Two triangles are similar, therefore area of smaller triangle upon area of bigger triangle is equal to square of 12, that is the side of smaller triangle, upon x. X is the corresponding side of bigger triangle. So area of smaller triangle 81, area of bigger triangle is 225, square of 12, square of x. Then 81 is square of 9, 225 is square of 15, is equal to square of 12 upon square of x. Then by taking square root, we get 9 upon 15 is equal to 12 upon x. By cross multiplying, we get 9 into x is equal to 12 into 15. So 9x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 upon 9, that is 20. So we get this side of the bigger triangle, the side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. And then question number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. These are equilateral triangles, and if area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 or 1/2. We have given AB is 4, then we have to find out DE. We have to find out D. So what is the solution? Triangle ABC and, it should be and, triangle ABC and, some mistakes, typing mistake. Triangle ABC and the triangle DEF are equilateral triangles, therefore they are similar also. Why similar? Because all angles are 60 degree. If we draw, we know the properties of equilateral triangle, then all the angles are 60 degree, therefore these two triangles ABC and DEF are similar by AAA test, angle test. Then we have taken the ratios. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to square of AB upon square of D, ratios of areas of similar triangles. Sorry, this ratio is given 1/2. AB is 4, so square of AB, square of 4 is equal to 16. Then cross multiplying, we get D square is equal to 16 into 2. Then by taking square root, we get D is equal to 4√2. This is √2, 4√2. So we get the value of D as 4√2. Then in question number 7, activity is given to you. It is an activity given to you, and we have to complete this activity to find the area of quadrilateral DPQE. So in figure 1.66, PQ parallel DE. This PQ segment is parallel to DE segment. These are parallel lines. Then area of triangle PQF is 20 units. This smaller triangle, area of triangle PQ is 20 units. PF is twice DP. This PF is twice DP. Then we have to find out the area of quadrilateral DPQE. Area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. So activity, we have to complete this activity. You know very well, if you see the new pattern of your SSC board, many activities are generally directly asked for 2 marks, 3 marks, or many times they or for 4 marks also. Then area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF is 2 DP, the twice of DP. So let us assume DP is x, therefore PF is 2x. So this is x and this is 2x. Then df is equal to dp plus pf. This df is equal to dp plus pf. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x. Now in triangle FDE and triangle FPQ, smaller one and bigger one, this FDE, the bigger triangle, and FPQ, smaller triangle. See, these two sides are parallel, therefore we get two pairs of corresponding sides. So angle FDE congruent angle FPQ, angle FDE congruent angle FPQ. Similarly, we get angle FED congruent FQP. So these two triangles are similar. By AA test, we are taking the ratios of their areas. Area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to square of FD upon square of FP. FD is 3x, square of 3x upon square of 2x. So 3 is square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4, x square lapses. Then we get area of triangle FD is equal to 9 upon 4 into area of triangle FPQ. Area of angle FPQ is given 20. So 4 divided by 20 is 5, 9 5s are 45. Then to find out the area of this quadrilateral, we have to subtract the small area of smaller triangle from area of bigger triangle. So area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ. So 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. So area of triangle FPQ is 20, area of quadrilateral DPQ is 25, and this total area of bigger triangle DEF is 45. So thank you for watching this video. We have completed similarity chapter of maths part 2. Do subscribe, like and share, and if you haven't seen previous videos of similarity as well as two variables in a linear equation, two variables of maths part 1, you can see all videos, or you can watch all videos. The link is given in the description. Thank you once again.